Hello everyone, this is iPrince from CashlessFX market breakdown for gold this week. Today is 8th October 2023. So let's head straight to the charts and see what we have. Currently, gold came to the daily support or the weekly support and rejected or gave us this rejection. As you can see, this is what we have. It gave us a rejection on this yellow line and has given us this bullish engulfing. We are having the same bullish engulfing on the H4. Looking at the side, you could see that this is a descending channel, and the whole of last week we were trading this consolidation market until Friday. NFP market broke this H4 resistance. Now, what is the way forward? Since this descending channel is broken and the resistance is broken on H4, we are bullish on gold this week. So we are waiting for price to give us this pullback or correction to the zone or the zone here, and then catch a buy, targeting 1840, 1848 in that range. The reason we are targeting 1840, 1848 range is that on the H4 we had a drop, base drop, and the price retested, as you can see here. So this is actually a retest, and after this retest, price dropped 350 pips. So when price comes back to the same resistance or this supply zone, we want to see a reaction. So we will be looking at catching a sell at this level. Okay, that is going to be a short term or pullback. When the 1840, 1848 zone is broken, then we should be expecting price at 1860. Okay, and that is our projection on gold this week. So in the meantime, what we will be doing when market opens is to wait for price to give us the opportunity to enter a buy. Okay, when this is the low that NFP created this Friday on the 6th October. Okay, and this is the high it created. Okay, when market opens, and should any change occurs on the market and this low is broken, then we will change our plans from being bullish the whole of the week to being bearish the whole of the week, targeting 1800. So that is our projection on gold this week. If you are not on CashlessFX Telegram community, I urge you to do so. Just click the link attached to this video and join CashlessFX Telegram free community. Okay, this is how the page looks like. There's the page. You could see that we've been giving gold signals back to back. Profit, profit, profit. All the signals are here. Profit, 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 profit all the time. So join CashlessFX Telegram community. Let's keep killing the market together. Smash the like button and subscribe to this channel for more updates and educational contents relating to or Forex related educational content. See you in the next video.